Today, I am reviewing LG Gram 17 touchscreen laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The LG Gram 17 is back, and this time, it's not just a laptop, it's a full-blown productivity powerhouse built for the AI era. If you've ever wished for a laptop that could handle demanding workloads, deliver desktop-class performance, and still feel lighter than your textbook, this one's going to surprise you. At first glance, the LG Gram 17 stands out with its signature ultra-slim, ultralight design. Despite its massive 17-inch touchscreen display, it weighs just about 3.2 pounds. Yes, lighter than most 13-inch laptops out there. And at only 0.74 inches thick, it slips easily into a backpack or messenger bag, making it a dream for students, travelers, and professionals who are always on the move. Now, let's talk about what really makes this machine special, its brain. The LG Gram 17 is powered by Intel's new Core Ultra 7 258B processor, part of Intel's latest generation built specifically for AI-enhanced performance. This isn't just another chip. It comes with a dedicated neural processing unit, or NPU, that handles AI tasks efficiently, allowing the CPU and GPU to focus on performance and graphics, while the NPU manages smart background features. This integration makes the Gram 17 one of the first AI-powered Copilot Plus PCs, meaning it works hand-in-hand with Windows 11's new Copilot features. You can get real-time assistance, AI-powered writing help, creative tools, and even intelligent search, all without compromising speed or privacy. Imagine having an assistant built into your laptop that learns how you work and helps you do it faster. That's exactly what this Copilot Plus experience is about. The 17-inch display is another reason this laptop feels premium. You're getting a QHD Plus touchscreen with a crisp 2560 by 1600 resolution, covering 99% of the sRGB color gamut. Whether you're editing photos, watching a movie, or working on design projects, everything looks rich, sharp, and vibrant. The anti-glare coating helps reduce reflections, while the 16:10 aspect ratio gives you more vertical workspace, perfect for productivity or multitasking. When it comes to memory and storage, LG didn't hold back. The Gram 17 comes with a whopping 32 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, clocked at a blazing 8,533 MHz, one of the fastest memory configurations you can find in an Ultrabook today. Paired with a 1TB SSD, you're getting both speed and space, so opening large files, running multiple Chrome tabs, or editing 4K video feels effortless. Performance-wise, the laptop handles daily tasks with absolute ease, from streaming and document editing to AI-assisted workflows, creative editing, and light gaming. Thanks to Intel's new integrated graphics and improved efficiency, the experience feels consistently smooth. Even when you're switching between demanding apps, the Gram keeps up without breaking a sweat. And if you're someone who's always connected, the LG Gram 17 has you covered. It supports Wi-Fi 7, which means faster and more stable internet connections, especially in crowded networks. You also get dual Thunderbolt 4 ports, HDMI 2.1, USB-A, and USB-C connectivity. Plenty of options to connect external monitors, storage, or peripherals. Another great addition is LG Gram Link, a new feature that lets you sync and control up to 10 Android or iOS devices directly from your laptop. You can drag and drop files, reply to messages, or even extend your screen across devices, seamlessly and wirelessly. It's one of those underrated features that truly enhances your workflow once you start using it. Battery life, as always with the Gram series, is exceptional. With its 77 watt-hour battery, the LG Gram 17 can deliver up to 23.5 hours of video playback. That's nearly a full day of work, streaming, or travel without needing to recharge. For a laptop with such a large, bright display, this level of endurance is seriously impressive. And when you're working late, the backlit keyboard feels comfortable, spacious, and responsive, perfect for writers, coders, or anyone typing long hours. The large glass trackpad is smooth and precise, complementing the laptop's premium build. Aesthetically, the new black aluminum body looks modern, sleek, and professional. Despite being so lightweight, the chassis passes 7 military-grade durability tests, ensuring it can handle the rigors of daily use, travel, and accidental bumps. Let's not forget the sound. The dual speakers are tuned to deliver rich, clear audio with good balance, making movies and meetings enjoyable even without headphones. Overall, the LG Gram 17 isn't just another Windows laptop. It's a blend of power, portability, and intelligence. With AI enhancements through Copilot Plus, an ultra-lightweight design, a massive 17-inch QHD+ touchscreen, and incredible battery life, it's designed for those who want it all: performance, design, and endurance.